Hey, what's going on, guys? Ryan DePaul here. So in this video, what we'll be going over today is real life testimonies from people who have used the SalesFlow feature on the Nowsite platform and the results that they're getting, if there's good or bad. So you're going to see their real, genuine testimonies. So with that, we're going to have Cheryl Coco introduce these people and actually show you, let them speak a little bit more about it. So I'm not going to say any more. I'm going to pass over to her, and here we go.
All right, welcome everybody. Thank you so much for being here. We have Andrew Buié with us today, and he's going to share his SalesFlow testimony and unlimited leads testimony. So what you want to do is make sure that you're commenting, say hello to my friend Andrew, and also invite anybody that you'd like to come and hear this incredible testimony on SalesFlow and unlimited leads. If you're not familiar with SalesFlow, SalesFlow is the fastest, easiest lead generation system ever. And Andrew's going to share his experience with you all. So Andrew, well, the question is, what has SalesFlow done for you?
Hey, Cheryl, how are you? Good to see you today, as usual. Just a phenomenal thing. And what SalesFlow has done for me, it's kind of indescribable to put into words, but I'll do the best job I can because it's changed the game as a 25-year, actually 30-year plus marketer. It's been a game-changing situation for me. It's allowed the flow to happen naturally. It enhances all the training for anybody that can sell on my team. Now they're absolute beasts on the sales side, and people that couldn't sell, they're now selling. I mean, they're actually moving and getting things done because it's designed in a way to help people who can't sell to save their lives or never thought of selling or just don't like it. It's that 100-pound phone or 500-pound phone. They don't want to pick up the phone. They don't have time in their busy schedules. SalesFlow eliminates any excuse not to have your business on supercharge. And that's the bottom line. Yeah.
Thank you so much for sharing. So inquiring minds, they want to know, right? That's why they're watching this. They're wondering, Andrew, but does it work? Does it really work?
Not only does it work, if some things can work, you say, oh, it works. Well, how'd you like the movie? It works. But either it works or it works well. It makes you say, wow. I mean, like, wow. I'm not sure if you guys saw Top Gun yet now. I don't get paid anything for recommending it, but I'm telling you, go see it if you're a Top Gun fan. Get in there, get your tickets, get up front row because Tom Cruise nails it out of the ballpark. But so does Nowsite. Justin Bellababa is the new Tom Cruise of marketing to me. Okay, so does he look like Tom Cruise a little bit to you? I'm not sure. I mean, I'm not really sure, but it's really nice to have a tool that is powerful, powered by artificial intelligence. That's what makes the magic happen. I don't know how these guys do it. You know, it's like when you drive a really nice car. I'm a Porsche fan. I'm picking up that Porsche Panamera this year. Thanks to Nowsite helping me do that. So, as if you want to drive a Porsche, you don't need to know how they put that science together and how they engineered the car. All you want to do is get you a key, get in and drive it. You got any problems? Take it back to the dealer. The equivalent of that dealer or maintenance technicians for us is our nerds. We have a beautiful support program inside of Nowsite. And it's just huge. It's just amazing. Always over delivering and under promising when it comes to Nowsite. The support is beautiful. I know my nerds now by first name. They're always there when I need them. And it's just a wonderful experience, Cheryl. We changed the game with this one. It's been a game changer for us.
Thank you. Do you think anybody can do it? You said you were in the industry 25, 30 years. But can anybody do this? Can anybody use SalesFlow?
That's the magic. I mean, I've stepped up my whole hiring game. We're going to bring on 10 new people just because of Nowsite. It's allowed me to hire simply, make my onboarding process simple. People are getting on board with me, and then in less than a day, they're already pulling leads down. People that we just recently signed up a few clients that have bought the annual plan with Nowsite, and they're already generating leads. The first day, nothing. I mean, bar none and nothing. I've been in the game like 30 years, right? So, and I love marketing. I live and breathe marketing because without marketing, no business, no hobby, no passion that you have can live without marketing. Somebody's got to know you're there, right? and it's got to be affordable because you can't break the bank to get the word out. And social media, it has its place, but now that's just one cog in the wheel with Nowsite. And without that, you can flow your way to it. And now you've got 3 or 4 or 5 ways to reach your customers at an affordable, very affordable, almost unbelievably affordable way.
Right.
And that's what we do.
Awesome. Thank you for sharing. And unlimited leads, right? You said people are getting leads. How do you feel about this offer of unlimited leads to people, right? I knew you were going to smile on this one.
I cannot believe what it does because I'm a lead buyer. I like the numbers. I crunch the numbers. Sure, it don't make money. It don't make sense to me. So it's got to make money. It's got to have a good ROI on it. And with my lead purchases, I ran a mortgage company with 5 locations in Chicago for a number of years. So we were buying thousands and tens of thousands of dollars in leads all the time. And to have this come in an affordable way for $37.50 a month, unlimited, exclusive to you, because when you order them, when you pull them down, they're yours. And the data is unbelievable. Every field, every person, everything you can think about this person is in the palm of your hands in less than a few seconds, and you can keep going as long as you want. You binge watch on Netflix certain movies. I binge SalesFlow. I'm in there and I'm just binging, and I can't believe the quality of leads we get, the exclusivity for it. Again, I'm not paid to do this, guys. I'm not to share this. This is real talk. And I can't share it enough because I feel like I'm doing somebody wrong by not telling them about it. That's the way I feel about it. I'm trying to dig my Rolodex out and find all the people that I know would love this if I could just get to them in time. And that means I think I've got to get to them today or it's over with, right?
Yes.
That's my dilemma.
Awesome. Well, it's a great dilemma to have, right? You have a system that works. SalesFlow helps people generate leads for their business. The unlimited leads offer is still on the table. Yeah. So you can take advantage of it today.
Oh, sure. I'm going to put OMG in the chat because that's what it is for me. It's an OMG moment. All right. So I'm going to put this OMG right here.
Make sure you put OMG in the chat.
Okay. It's incredible, guys. I mean, again, having a lot of the experiences, and I don't mean to be long-winded about it, but there's so much to say and so much to talk about in a few short minutes but I'm putting it out there in the ass. Thanks to SalesFlow, thanks to Nowsite. I got all my messages out there now. I got SMS campaigns going. I've got email campaigns going. I've got SalesFlow handling and leading, pumping the funnel full of high quality, exclusive leads, laser targeted for what I say and what I want. And it's just like having a dream guy, a researcher that you pay thousands of dollars to, $100,000 a year salary to go find the people that you find. I mean, recruiters do make that. And you're recruiting prospects. Marketers make that kind of money. And you don't have to pay anywhere near that with Nowsite. And I just love it. So thank you, Cheryl, for doing what you do. And Justin Bellababa, my man. Okay, Tom Cruise of marketing right now. All right.
Thank you so much, Andrew. We appreciate your time and your testimony. Hey, if you're watching this, make sure that you share it out with everybody that you know. And Andrew, I'll see you in Texas or Houston, June 6th.
Houston, let's go. Right. Not just Texas, but Houston, my first time. Houston. So let's go. I'll see you there.
All right. Bye, everybody.
And we're back. And you just heard it from the mouth of the people. So with that, I mean, it's great that people are getting results. I'm getting results. A lot of other people are getting results. And that's just one of many people who are having success with this platform of SalesFlow on the Nowsite platform. So I can't wait for you to get going. If you have any other questions, feel free to comment in the section below. I'll be more than happy to answer them. Or you can also text me or call me. My number's in the description below. Also, if this is your first time checking out one of my videos or my channel, and you like what you saw, even if you didn't like what you saw, but you think that it has some value to it, go ahead and hit that big red button below. Right next to it is a little bell. Hit that bell and hit all, because anytime I put out any new content, YouTube is going to send you a notification saying, hey, Ryan DePaul put out a new video. You liked this last one, and you might want to check out this one. So with that, guys, yeah, if you want to get started, go ahead and there's a link on the description, or the comments actually, and the description. You can get started there. If you have more questions, feel free. If not, we can get you on a demo, or so you can see it live in person too. Just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to help you. This is all about making sure that you're successful with your business, or whoever is watching this is successful with their business, so you can take it to the next level. So with that, guys, we're going to end this. So until the next one, take care, be safe, and be blessed.